Hey guys, welcome back to Rukia's kitchen channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty grilled coconut fish known as Samaki or kupaka in Kiswahili. Like this fish, oh my god, it's super tasty. So without further any ado, let's begin with this recipe. In a small bowl, we'll start by making our fish marinade. You'll start by putting 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of grinded green chilies, and you're going to add some olive oil or any oil that you prefer, 3 tablespoons, and lastly squeeze some lime and mix the spices very well. So with this recipe, I'll be using tilapia fish, or you can use any fish that you prefer, and make sure you've cleaned your fish thoroughly. Then go ahead by slightly cutting your fish so that the spices can able to enter into the fish very well. Then go ahead with the spices and cut the fish with the spices until the fish is nicely coated with the spices, and let the fish to marinate for approximately 1 hour or more. After 1 hour, then we're going to grill our fish at 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 50 minutes to 1 hour. While our fish is in the oven, we'll be making this fish coconut sauce. In a pan, you'll pour 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste each. Then we'll go ahead and put some spices, sprinkle some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of grinded green chili, and lastly squeeze some lemon or lime, then stir well. So I'll be using coconut can, or you can use the fresh coconut. That's going to be so amazing to this recipe. I'll be pouring 400 ml of coconut powder, stir well, then I'm going to add 2 pieces of green chilies and a bit of coriander leaves. Mix everything well and let the sauce to cook until it becomes super thick like so. And once ready, then our sauce is ready to be drizzled into that grilled fish. After 15 minutes, look at that grilled fish. Look at that fish. The outside was crusty and the inside was super soft. Then go ahead and drizzle that coconut fish on top. Then put the fish back to grilled for another 5 minutes. Then our coconut grilled fish will be ready, and serve it on a plate. And our grilled coconut fish is ready, as you can able to see in the video. Oh my goodness, like this fish was so tasty. The Swahili way, we usually serve it with some ugali or rice, and we usually add some lemon with every bite. Like you can able to see in the video, we squeeze some lime to add an extra amazing taste to the fish. On a scale to 1 to 10, I'm going to give this fish a 10 because it was so tasty, and you guys need to try this recipe. And if you're going to try this recipe, please kindly do come to the comment section and let me know, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.